At Libs Paving, it's more than asphalt. It's about people, pride, and doing things the right way. What began as a small business in 1971 has consistently been a source of pride for us. We pave parking lots, roads, city streets, subdivision, and entire communities with precision and purpose.
Our services include asphalt paving, seal coating, crack filling, line striping, asphalt repair, milling, excavation, and concrete work. We also own and operate our own asphalt plant and fleet of trucks, giving us full control over quality and timeliness. It's just one more way we ensure every project runs smoothly from start to finish.
We plan, we prep, we execute with discipline. That's how we deliver every time. From the ground up, every layer we lay is a reflection of our commitment to excellence.
We look out for each other. We're not just co-workers, we're a team.
For us, every job is personal. We treat your property like it's our own. Every inch gets the attention it deserves. We show up early, we stay late, and we over-deliver. We make sure your project looks flawless at the end.
We're always learning, we're always improving. Safety isn't just a rule, it's really our culture. We truly believe in a growth mindset.
Having the right equipment matters, but it's the people behind the machine that really matters. We take pride in what we do.
Keeping our fleet running at 100% is a full-time job, but it means our crews can trust their equipment every day. If there's an issue, we'll get to it before it becomes a problem.
At Libs Paving, we live our core values every day. Our people come first, our customers matter most, quality is non-negotiable, and we never stop growing. We build more than parking lots and roads. We build trust, we build teams, we build what lasts. We are